Hi guys, this is JB from Mega World Corporation. So currently, andito ako ngayon sa Uptown Bonifacio in BGC. Kasi for today's video, itutur ko kayo sa aming executive one bedroom with balcony here in Uptown Arts Residence. So tara, di ko na patatagalin. Check na natin yung unit. So guys, welcome to our spacious 66 square meter executive one bedroom with balcony here in Uptown Arts Residence. So all of our units, so lahat ng units dito kay Uptown Arts are all smart home equipped. So meaning lahat ng smart lights and smart appliances can be controlled or can be connected using your phone. So by the way, upon entering, you will be greeted by this digital lock set from Philips. So it can be accessed through 4 different ways. So pwede ditong fingerprint, key code, key card, and even traditional keys. So moving on to this part is yung video intercom natin. So it will be delivered upon delivery, upon turnover. So it will connect us directly to the lobby. So if ever may mga visitors, guests, or even mga parcels na parating, you can directly communicate to them but they cannot see you. Then welcome to your enclosed kitchen area. So dito, complete na yung kitchen appliances. So meron ka na ditong retro fridge, then meron ka na dito yung granite countertop, your backsplash tile, with pin lights para mas added yung pagiging luxurious tingnan ng kitchen, and also soft close overhead and under counter cabinets. So included na rin dito yung box type sink with a retractable faucet. Then behind me is yung 2-zone induction cooktop, range hood. So lahat ng appliances natin all from Gorenhay, which is European brand. Then a lots of drawers here para mas ma-maximize natin yung mga gamit or lagay ng gamit. So on my left side is yung maid's quarter or extra room. So dito pwede nyo siyang gawing mini pantry, office, or even storage room. So dito meron na rin siyang space for the washer and dryer, and may sarili na rin common toilet and shower. Then going on to this part, meron kayo ditong little space or ample space. Pwede kayo maglagay dito ng cabinets, pwede kayo maglagay ng collection, shelves, bookshelves, or even for the displays. And moving on, just across yung space is yung common toilet and bath. So dito, complete sanitary fittings and fixtures na siya. So what you see in this video is what you'll be getting. So meron ka ditong huge mirror with sink and a faucet from Villeroy & Boch. And also toilet bowl with bidet. And on this part, sa likod ko is yung complete shower set. So yung tiles, assist na rin to once na ma-deliver na sa inyo yung unit. So just beside your common toilet and bath is yung master bedroom. So dito, it can cater up to queen size bed. So as you can see, meron tayong huge full floor to ceiling glass windows with the view of morning sun, Antipolo Mountains, at the same time yung JP Morgan. So dito sa master bedroom nyo, included na itong modular cabinet with a huge mirror. So as you can see, meron na rin siyang ample space for your stuff. And also, in your bedroom, meron ka na ring split type inverter na kasama. And last but not the least, this is what I love the most here in this unit. So this one is a combined space of the dining area and the living area. So on this part is yung dining area where you can put up to 4 to 6 dining seaters, and you can put a large rectangular dining table here. Then across the dining area is yung living area natin. So pwede kayo maglagay dito ng huge L-shaped sofa. Pwede kayo maglagay ng center table, yung entertainment suite, your television, and at the same time, meron ka na rin split type inverter included on your combined space. And good thing about your living area is that meron ka na rin direct access to the balcony with the view of Antipolo Mountains, morning sun, and at the same time is yung Uptown Bonifacio Township. So that's it guys for a quick tour here in this executive one bedroom with balcony in Uptown Arts Residence. So this one is a Unit G on the higher floor and is available under rent-to-own terms. So meaning you only need a 10% down payment to process the moving, and is payable up to 36 months. And if you want to settle this unit in cash, you would get a total of 16% cash discount from the contract price. So once again, this is JB, your property specialist from Mega World, and I'll see you on my next video.